Hello internet world and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. This is my unboxing and first look at the Atomos Ninja V. A big thank you must go out to Atomos for sending this into review. If you want to check out a link to the Atomos website, you'll find that down in the video description area. Also down in the video description you will find a link to my full review of the Ninja V when that goes online. So this is a 5-inch monitor. It's going to unlock the full potential of your mirrorless camera. Not only does it act as a monitor, but it also records video to solid state drives up to 4K 60p. It weighs 360 grams. The actual physical size of the touchscreen is 5.2 inches and it is an IPS touch panel, and it also goes up to 1000 nits of brightness. It's got some great features built in. I can't wait to actually bring you my full review. So let's take a look inside the box. There it is, front and center. Oh, it looks very nice. You get a 3-year warranty with this. Really feels very nice. It's made out of primarily metal, a few bits of plastic on the back, but a metal sort of casing to the actual monitor. We'll take a closer look at that in a short while. Because this is an unboxing, let's delve deeper and see what we get in the bottom section of the box. So we have got a welcome pack with a quick start guide in it, saying welcome to the Atomos family. And then this does in fact have the quick start guide inside to get us up and running. And then we've got 2 additional sections just here. Let's have a look inside this one. So inside this right hand section, we have got some various cables. Let's take a look in here. So we have got some different adapter plates for the power adapter. We've got 2-pin, we've also got European, and then we've got a 3-pin UK adapter plate. And then we've got the actual power adapter itself. So this is a multi-voltage adapter, 100 volts to 240 volts. And this actually attaches to a further adapter that goes onto the back of the Ninja V itself. We also get this master caddy. This master caddy actually accepts solid state drives, and then you in turn connect this to the back of the Ninja V as your recording media. This is used if you're actually using regular solid state drives. You can get some smaller ones. I believe they're from a company called Angelbird that are slightly more compact than this, and you don't need the caddy for those dedicated solid state drives. Let's see what else we've got in here. So there's nothing else in that section. Let's have a look in this other section just here. So here, as expected, so we have got the battery adapter plate. This connects to the back of the monitor, and in turn you connect the power adapter that I showed you earlier to this threaded mount. This is really good because this allows you to obviously power the monitor from mains, or indeed you can power the monitor from a battery. I believe it uses Sony camera batteries on here. But in addition to batteries going into this plate here, we've also got a tiny little connector just down in here, and there are additional plates that you can buy to actually give you things like SDI out and various other features as well. Let's take a closer look around the monitor. This is where you're going to plug in your solid state drive for recording. On the bottom we've got a threaded mount. On this side here we've got HDMI in and also HDMI out. Across the top section here we've got another threaded mount, and then round on this side we've got the power button, mic or line input, also headphone output for monitoring your audio, and also a remote control input as well. And then of course on the front the 5.2 inch touchscreen panel, which I'll fire up in the full review. It says Ninja across the top there in red and Atomos on the bottom there. Feels very nice, really well constructed, and I can't wait to set this up and start recording on this. I'm going to primarily be testing it probably on my Nikon Z6, so that'd be very interesting to see how this performs. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. If you want to pick up a Ninja V for yourself, check out the links down in the video description area. And also don't forget to check out that video description area regularly. When my full review goes online, there will be a link to the full review down there as well. Thanks for watching everyone. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in another video very soon.